In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to maintain rule divisions. First, from the dashboard, we will use this drop-down menu to select Maintain Divisions. The Maintain Division section of OARD allows rules coordinators to make changes to the individual divisions within each chapter of administrative rules. Changes that can be made in this screen are changing the division name, creating a division, expiring a division, or renewing a division that was previously expired. Caution is advised that if renewing a previously expired division, DOJ should be consulted before a renewal occurs to avoid any issues that could arise. The Maintain Division screen is pretty self-explanatory. We have a few options available to us. We can edit any existing divisions, or we can add a new division. First, let's take a look at editing a division. I can click Edit here next to division number 1, and it will bring up this additional window at the top. Here I can't change the division number, but I can update the division name, or I can expire the division. Let's pretend like I've updated this division name, and now I click Save. The division has been saved. I click OK, and then any changes I made to the division name would appear here in the list. If I want to add a new division, I simply click Add New Division. I will need to pick a division number. I'm going to try to pick a number that doesn't exist in the list below. Let's go with 991. Division name, example new division name. And then I click Create. Division has been saved. I click OK. If I scroll down to the bottom of this list, here is my new division, and it has the date it was created. Now let's look at unexpiring a division. All of these divisions in here that say migrated have an effective date and an expiration date that match. This is from when the data was imported into OARD from the old system. So let's go ahead and unexpire division 17. We will click Edit. The page will reload. And let's put in a new division name. And we will uncheck the expired box and click Save. Our division has been saved. We click OK. Now we will come down to division 17. We will find that we have our new name here and the expiration date is gone. It's that easy to expire, unexpire, and rename divisions.